Hello, all my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina Louise. If you like what you see today, please give me the thumbs up and leave a comment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do that. It helps my channel grow. Today, I'm going to show you two different ways to make ribbon look like designer ribbon using Dollar Tree products. All you're going to need for this one is some paint and a roll of Dollar Tree ribbon. I'm using the green burlap ribbon, and I am using 3 colors because I am making watermelon print looking ribbon. There's no reason why you can't take your paints out and start painting ribbon to give it a prettier, designer, more homemade look. I was going to buy watermelon ribbon because I was doing a watermelon challenge at the beginning of August, and when I saw the prices of a roll of watermelon ribbon, I thought that was crazy, so I decided I was going to make my own. You can spend over $10 a roll. Dollar Tree ribbon is 99 cents. So what I did for this ribbon was I took this pretty watermelon color. It's actually called Bright Magenta from Apple Barrel, and I painted along the top a long strip of this. Then after that, I use my white, and I do a white strip right underneath that. And then I did some green lines using Limeade from Apple Barrel, and I used some Kelly green. And then of course I used a Sharpie marker to make the seeds. So just sit back, relax, and watch this fun project. Now I took a black Sharpie and I made the seeds on the watermelon. Now here are the final results when I made my watermelon bow to put on my watermelon wreath for my watermelon DIY I'm doing the beginning of August. I think the ribbon came out beautiful. You can tell it's watermelon, and I just love this. For DIY number 2, and this is how I make my Mackenzie-Childs style ribbon, and this is my favorite. Okay, for this project, you're going to need some rolls of Dollar Tree ribbon. Yep, only $1 for these pretty burlap ribbons. You're going to need some fabric. If you don't have fabric, you're not a sewer and you don't have fabric, I guarantee that you have blouses that have beautiful, pretty fabric that you're never gonna wear. I make so many designs out of old clothing because I always find beautiful shirts, skirts in thrift stores, or even clothes that I don't wear anymore and the fabric is gorgeous, but it's something that I wouldn't wear, and I cut it up and I make things out of them, pillows, whatever. But I do have a lot of fabric because I do sew, and I did do 1,500 face masks during COVID. Yep, that's right, 1,500. Donated at least 1,200 of them to hospitals. Anyway, this is the fabric that I decided to use. I would love to have ribbon in this fabric. I would love to have ribbon in this fabric. But when you buy rolls of ribbon with these beautiful designer fabrics, they usually cost you at least $10 a roll. And you can simply make them by taking Dollar Tree ribbon and just cutting strips of the fabric, or a blouse that you have, or lace curtains or whatever, cutting a strip the same size as your burlap, well, any ribbon, your wired ribbon from Dollar Tree, and then you're just going to hot glue it, the strips, right onto the ribbon. Okay, so here you go. Let's see how that works out. I'm going to give it a shot right now. I'll do the pretty, well, actually I'm going to do this one first because it's so much easier to cut because of the lines. So we'll put that one aside right now. We'll put the pink aside right now. We're going to just work with the burlap, and we're going to work with this checkered fabric. And I'm going to cut that off camera because it'll be so much easier. See, this one's easy because I'm just going to cut right down this line here. Use 2 of them. I think that will be like perfect. Actually, that's a little big. We'll give it a shot. We'll see how that works out. So now I cut the strap, and I'm just going to use it for a guide here. I'm going to pin it onto here and use it for a guide so I can cut my other strip. Okay, here we go. First I'm going to do, take some of my painter's tape and tape that down. So we're going to start doing like that. We're going to press it down. I should really have finger protectors on right now. That's all you're going to do. Keep going down the side, going down the side. You could do a little slash in the center every once in a while to give it extra stick, but you don't want to do too much of that because you don't want the ribbon to be stiff. Because you're going to want to make bows and packages or whatever it is that you are using your ribbon for, and you want it to be pliable. So that's all you're going to do. You're going to keep going all the way down with your hot glue gun along the sides. Oh, I know I should have did that. I have a nice big, really good hot glue gun, and I constantly go back to using my little mini glue gun. My daughter wants to know why, because she bought me the hot glue gun and thought I was going to love it. And I'm always going back to using my little one. Okay, so this is what we're going to keep doing. Definitely going to stick here on the other side. So, lift it up before it gets too stuck, and we bring up cardboard. Actually, look what I did. Actually, cardboard is not the best thing to be using. I use a marble usually, and that's what I'm going to switch to right now to finish this off. Okay, so I removed the cardboard. That was very dumb of me. I know some people have those silicone mats, and that's perfect because hot glue doesn't stick to that. But I like to use these. They're so inexpensive. Home Depot, Lowe's, all they are is floor tiles. And I like to do my projects on them. Okay, so where I left off, going to tape it. Painter's tape will not harm it at all. And now I'm going to go back to, and you have to make sure you're putting it on straight because, you could go off center. Did I leave off right there? Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to continue. See how easy that is to get off of tile? And there's no marks on the back. Watch that you don't have a fabric that frays. This one is actually good. This cotton fabric worked well, but the other one that I did, it was more of a canvas and it was doing a lot of fraying. I mean, I could get something to stop the fraying, but for this project I didn't really want it to become too much. I wanted it to be simple. I'll show you how to make pretty designer ribbon. Now I'm going to make my bow, and here are the final results. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to know when I post another video, please click the little bell and it will tell you. Thank you.